Okay, we're back home. Let's go ahead and get this Tipm in, and we'll throw the monitor on there and see if we get ignition. And that's going to answer that'll answer another question, whether the fact that if it starts, then you can take one out of the exact same year and same options, and it'll start. My only main question is, does it have to have a VIN programmed into it for it to run? So that's where we're at. Okay, we're going to try this with the Osmo Action, so you have a good bird's eye view of what I'm doing here. Okay, so we have to take these plugs off of here, and I want to make sure you see this, even though I've probably showed it 100 times already. All right, so you got to pull this, you got to push down here, and that'll release. There's a little push button in there. Next thing you got to push this top piece, and that'll release this again. So now you just pop this down, shake the thing a little bit, because what it's doing is it's sliding on this, is pushing on these little tips here, and that's sliding this out. There you go. And that goes. And let completely go, and it's going to slide out. See, it's got to slide in these little things here. There's tips there. All right, take a look at those plugs. They look pretty good, huh? I think so. Okay, now you got your main. You got your main cable. What I did is I just connected it right from the main, right off of here. So I just took this one off of here, and then you put the new one on. Here's the other plug here. This is the one that came off of the Jeep. So it's got to go back on there. Let me tighten. I got to tighten that up. And I'm not going to use. I was going to use the Impact to do that, but I'm not gonna. I'm going to use the wrench, because I don't want the chance of cracking that. So I'm going to go ahead and use. I'm just going to do it by hand. I'm liking my thing here, because I'll tighten that up. That's why it wasn't in my box. You dork. I couldn't do it because I didn't have it in my box. Where's my regular ratchet? And I don't have those in here, do I? Okay, because I don't want. So I was using the Impact to loosen them, so I don't want that. Having an issue there before I got it in. It's okay. Next, push down on that, slide it back. Push down on that, and that'll pop up. There we go. Just play with it a little bit, get it to follow out. There you go. Two. And put them back together. They're all color coded, so you don't have to worry about it. See, gray, gray. Am I recording? Oh, am I not recording? Yeah, okay. Tell when I'm recording or not. Okay, so this one that's down that way. Again, push that down. Slide right under there, it'll pop up. Jiggle the plug a little bit. I would say not to jiggle on the wires too much. You just don't know what it's doing in the pin case there. Let you come. And that's those. These are all simple. You just push this thing, push it in, it'll release, come out. And again, that's the only one that's not color coded. Is this one here? Now you got this one here, gray. I'm gonna look at the other gray one. Oh, 2 wires. Okay. It should be identical because it's the same year, same vehicle, and same options. Come on. There we go. Other than the issue with VIN, we should not have an issue. It should be the same wire and harness, same everything. Quick in there. Okay. Everything looks good. All right, let's get this back in, and it's gonna go. Everything's gonna be exactly the same scenario. Shoot. You're in my way. I think I just mentioned that in the other video. Little things will catch in the right hole here. Okay. Start to rock and roll back. There we go. Back, you just about push it right up in there, and it'll lock itself in place. Okay, click. Okay, now where's my thing there? I want to lock that red. You want to lock that red in place here, so you know, so she knows she's up there and locked. Yep. Go. Hope you keep pushing on that thing. Okay, lock down. I'll keep that from coming up. All right, losing you off my head here. All right. Okay. Stop recording. Okay. Let's get this done. I took it off my head and put it the other way. Let's see. So I got the first one here. That's second. Then you go. This is. Go ahead and get this orange connector in here. Damn, click. Alright. you're gonna go, we're going number 2, which is this one here, gray, or black on black. Gray's on the end. Okay. You lined up. Let's go. Okay, and you can just about start shoving it in. There she goes. You know when it starts moving it. Okay, and it's locked. Get your red, lock your red one in. Now we're going again. You know it's lined up. It should start moving that hammer. I want to call it the hammer. Hammer it down. There we go. Locked in. And then double lock it with your red one. Okay, takes care of that. Next, we get our little group of them here. Get the battery cable one out of the way. And now we're going, brown one's in the middle. Okay. You start with a black one here. Our gray up on top. Okay. Blue. Blue, blue, blue. I hear it click. Another set of the black one. Just add this one here. You can't screw them up because they only go one way. Brown. The brown one's there. Just the black one. Get out of the way. Yeah. Where's the other black one? It's you. In there. There you go. Click. Brown. Gray. And black. The company telling me that when they do for the replacement or when they're doing, if you don't get it to work, you're gonna have to keep disconnecting them. All right, all hooked in. The only one I haven't got hooked up is the one for the battery. That's a real important one there. Grab it. Okay. Put these right on their lines. We are now in place. Let's get our battery cable back on here. Very nice. Look what you are. Okay, good. Okay. I think we're good. All right, now get the battery. Get the battery in here. You see, I've had the battery cables hooked together, grounding again. So they say they need to be grounded to let all the capacitors in the vehicle drain. So that said, I did that. And I tried that last night, and because when you do it, you gotta have the Tipm all disconnected. You can't have any wires connected to it. So I did that. As you saw in that video, I plugged it in, and nothing happened. No, nothing, no change, should I say. All right. So I had them wired together, and I also used a pair of vice grips to hold them together as well. All right, so get everything out of the way for a minute. Need my gloves. I'm gonna put this battery in, and all I can do is hope for the best. Now the last code I got was a U1410. And that but the thing about it is it wouldn't start. So here we go. Go in battery plugged on, battery plugged in. So of course now all the capacitors are getting re-energized. I'm not locking this down until